Good morning, 19th of December. I'm just out for a short one today. Hopefully not too short because the weather gods aren't looking on us. It was a cracking fledge yesterday, beautiful all day. But today the fog's really come down. Anyway, short 80-90 mile, just Fylde Coast in the Trough of Bowland. Off to meet Tony in about 5 minutes. Well, happy days, Christmas ride out. Party.
Oh dear, look at this fog. Right, good morning. As I said before, it's Sunday. Sunday the 19th of December. We'll have a little Christmas ride out over the Fylde Countryside, and then up over the Trough of Bowland. I think we're going to stop at Bridge 64 for breakfast. How can you not see my light? I look like the Starship Enterprise, so I'll get told. And there's a car behind me followed me through. Can you hear me? Can you not hear me? Are you turned on? But to be honest, are you putting yours on or leaving it for a bit? To be honest, I don't know why really, because we're not going to see out, can we? That's it?
Yep.
We're going left here. Yeah, that's what's my trouble.
I heard the window there.
Yeah.
I didn't know that was there.
This is it Springfield's? Part of BNFL?
Yeah. Looks like a Butlins, doesn't it?
yeah,
When you look at it, doesn't it? It's got that look like all the shouting.
Goodness me, -2. Beautiful, isn't it? Just a shame the road's not a bit better. can see the ice on it, can't you, or is it me?
No, it's just damp. I don't think it's nice. How's that? Oh, that's better when you lift the eyes up. Oh, you can smell the shit. It might be much spreading. Bloody hell. Beautiful. Good job we came out today, Stuart. Look at that.
Beautiful, isn't it?
I love days like this, mate. Really do.
I think, to be fair, this is probably the best day we've had. Well, best few days we've had, innit, since we were last out.
Yeah, we've had. There's been. Yeah, the weather's right, hasn't it, really?
Yeah, I'm off Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, and that's it. Straight through then.
Yeah, you're back in Boxing Day.
Yeah.
I've often said actually, like we have a planned shutdown, so we have to be off. And I've always said it like, but I have to use holidays for that. I've always said like, you know, I'd rather work. But then like this time I've got to use 6 days holiday.
Straight road to the left. Oh. Then we go outside of the radio masts.
Turn the feet up. It's in me jacket. Look at these. Oh, they're lovely, aren't they?
Huskies, yeah, lovely.
Yeah, I do like them. I do like them. I'm not too sure they make a good pet, but
Tell you what, this is nice, isn't it?
yeah, I just wish I could see through the light.
Well, I've still got mine up.
Well, I've just lifted mine up. It's really nice when you lift it up, isn't it?
Yeah, and it's not so bad now because, like I said, because of temperature and how nice it is, we're not going so fast, are we? I think it's first time I've seen the radio place, like, you know, like from this side.
I've never seen it real. Actually, it's the first one for me.
Yeah. I mean, I've seen it from the other side when we've gone through Inskip.
I've never seen it before. It's the first time. Is that an MOD place?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't like this. Don't like muck. Shit on road.
It's a really nice place.
Yeah, beautiful.
I really do like little places like this. This would be lovely if it had been snowing.
Yeah.
Can you imagine this place? It'd be like Coast Guard stuff, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Hey, what's this? It's just Christmas decoration, isn't it?
Oh, hey, that's making the effort.
Yeah.
Not with that. Not with that at all.
Oh, God, it's lovely. That's Caravan Place. Bridge House.
Oh, right, okay. It's not that far, is it?
No. I think if you, like from Bowling Green, where we set off from, I think if you jumped up motorway and up motorway to Broughton, I think it's only about 22 miles.
So is this where you came last time?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, the first time we ever came, we came off the A6. You see where the giveaway sign is?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's the A6. We came off there, we turned left and then turned right here. But then what you've got a bloody up-back bridge here over the canal. So what we've learnt is, straight up the A6 till you get to, you know, the big crossroads at Garstang? You turn left there, and then take your second road on the left to come back down this road.
That's what we got over that bridge.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so it's just here.
Cafe door.
I checked it this morning, it said it was open at 9 o'clock, so...
Cafe.
Let's just leave them here, can't we?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Right.
Here.
Yeah, that will do.
Behind you. Oh, Tom's opening.